Okay, now the bagels are ready to be put on a tray. We're going to freeze these bagels now and use them later. And at this stage, which is like a final stage, we could do several things with these bagels. We could have some to be plain, and then some we can flavor it with whatever we want. If we wanted to make an onion bagel or a blueberry bagel, we had to alter the formula a bit and throw those ingredients inside the bagel. But since we get tired of eating the same food all the time, we can vary this differently and take some of them and put an ingredient that makes it interesting both in appearance and in taste. By those, I'm referring to maybe some poppy seed and sesame seed. Those, they don't have to be inside the dough, they could be outside. So I'll take some of my egg wash and I make the bagels nice and wet. At the same time, I have my seeds available to me. I'll just take it and I put it in there and I take it out. I got nicely decorative bagel. At the same time, it has a different taste to it. So every day I don't have to eat the same bagel. I can have a bagel that's a little bit different, but it makes it a nice color on my table. And also, my palate doesn't get tired of eating the same food all the time. So that's how it's done. As you can see, once these are baked, it gets a nice color on it, and the taste is wonderful and delicious. So we have, out of one batch, we have 3 different products that we can eat either now, after it's baked, or it could be frozen and eaten later. Again, comes out of the freezer, goes in the refrigerator the night before. The next day it's risen and baked, and it's all done. Delicious.